Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I'm Tanya Aneja, and this is a brand new episode of Technical Gupshup, where we'll discuss the technical market outlook, key levels to watch out for, and 5 technical stock ideas to bet on. To discuss this, let's welcome our guest on the show today. We have with us Mehul Kothari, who is Assistant Vice President Technical Research at Anand Rathi Shares and Stock Brokers. Thank you so much, Mehul, for taking the time out and joining us here on Business Today Television.
Very good morning, Tanya. Thanks for having me on the show.
So, Mehul, the US Central Bank hiked rates by 50 basis points, as was widely expected. But according to experts, it certainly does seem like they are still worried about inflation, and this is not going to be the end of rate increases. So, the three main US indices ended sharply lower on Thursday and fell to their lowest levels in more than a month. Also, Indian equity benchmarks also opened lower on the last trading day of this week amid largely negative cues from global markets. So, what are the key levels that one should watch out for, and is there more pain ahead?
Let's first discuss about the US markets. What has happened over there is all the chaos started after the inflation started rising, right?
Right.
And if we look at the recent CPI number in US, then it has convincingly came down, and this has been happening since last couple of months or so what we feel that from where the things have started now, it's coming to an end. So markets have already discounted this positive news, and again we could expect profit booking in the markets. Now first, with regards to the US indices and all, Dow Jones and Nasdaq and S&P 500, the high which they made a couple of days back when the inflation numbers were out, that high remains a very strong resistance for them. Unless and until that is not taken out, we cannot expect a fresh bull rally in the markets, at least in their markets. And if that is not taken out, then we expect further profit booking in US markets. So that could be followed by our markets also. So now we'll come to our markets. Previously, during the previous week, we discussed something about FII's long to short ratio in our markets, that is in specifically in index futures. So what we mentioned, what we were of the opinion that whenever this ratio goes above 75% or near to 75%, a top is being made in the market. So last time this happened, it was in January 2022, then it happened in April 2022, and this time also it was 75% or more. So from then, we have been quite cautious in the markets, and we mentioned that for the coming 2 to 3 months we expect profit booking in the markets, and there is a possibility again a top would be made in the market. But it's difficult to judge that when that top will be made on the higher side, whether it is from 18,800 or 19,000 or maybe beyond that, and then the top will made. So we were not convinced about that level, but yes, we were of that idea that the top is about to be made in the market. Now Nifty has, on a shorter time frame, confirmed that the recent high of around 18,800 could be a temporary top, because if we close today below 18,300, then that top might get confirmed because of lower top lower bottom formation on the daily chart of Nifty spot. So today's closing would be a crucial one, as per my analysis.
Okay, absolutely. That's the word coming in. And also, Mehul, the Nifty IT index is also under pressure. And according to some reports, tech stocks are ending 2022 with their worst phase since the 2008 global financial crisis. And the index is down over 25% on a year to date basis. There was a report as well. Credit Suisse warned of a 10 to 27% valuation led correction in these stocks amid US macro headwinds. So, what are your thoughts on this space?
A few trading sessions back, when this index was trading, IT index was trading somewhere near to 28,600 or so, we expected that there is a possibility of bottoming out, and we saw that recovery of at least 2 to 3 trading sessions. But in the last couple of sessions, what has happened is again the IT index is in pressure. So as of now, we'll go by the levels. Currently, it is quoting somewhere near to 30,000, that is 28,900 to be precise. On the downside, we feel 28,800, 28,500 is a very strong support. It's a multiple support. Currently, we are witnessing double bottom formation over there. So if that is broken, then again IT will be the scapegoat, and there will be too much of pressure in the IT index. But if this support is held, then we expect some kind of sharp recovery in IT stocks, because at the same time we are expecting profit booking in banking index or the frontline indices. So that is why defensives will come into play. So IT and pharma could be the sector where the selling would be the least from here on.
Okay, absolutely. So 28,500 is a strong support that is coming in for this particular index. And any other sectors that you're bullish on, especially at this point in time?
See, Tanya, we are very much bullish on one sector, and that could be the sector for the year 2023. Apart from pharma,
Okay.
we are liking very much, but one sector that is a clear-cut outperformer, that could be a clear-cut outperformer, that is Nifty PSC index. It is somewhere trading somewhere near to 4,500 odd levels. It is
Okay.
on the verge of 15 years breakout. The consolidation near 4700, it took 15 years for this index to again reach to that breakout level. And once that is confirmed, if this index starts trading above 4700, which we feel that it will happen in a couple of months or so, then there is a possibility of 20 to 30% rally in that index during the year of 2023, which we are not expecting in the benchmark indices. 20-30% rally, we are not expecting that kind of rally, but yes, 30% rally we could see in Nifty PSC index. So yes, we are very much bullish on that index, that is public sector enterprises.
Okay, Nifty PSC index, that is the advice that is coming in. And also, let's now come to five top technical stock ideas that our investors can bet on. So, which are the five stocks that you are betting on today?
See, Tanya, as we told that markets, we expect some kind of profit booking in the markets, and markets will remain choppy from here on, and volatility will rise from here on, because India VIX has bottomed out. This is what we feel as of now, and it could go towards 25 to 30 levels. Currently, it is somewhere near to 13 or 14. So we don't
Okay.
want traders to get stuck in short-term stocks or short-term ideas. So we are coming up with a broader picture, 3 to 6 months. For that, we have selected five stocks, and those five stocks are from the PSC index itself. And we have named that basket as Bingo. Bingo for a
Okay.
reason. There are five stocks. First is BPCL, I for IOC, N for NTPC, G for GAIL, and O for ONGC. So quickly, I'll give you the trade setups for 3 to 6 months. BPCL, one can buy this stock or accumulate this stock in the range of 350 to 340. Stop loss will be 290, upside target 450. IOC accumulation zone is 78 to 74, stop loss is 63, target is 104. NTPC buying range or accumulation range is 170 to 162, stop loss 140, target 225. GAIL 95 to 90 is the range. Currently, it is quoting somewhere near to 98 because it has run up a bit in the last couple of sessions. So one can wait to buy it on dips. Stop loss will be 78, target will be 122. And last but not least, that is ONGC. One can buy the stock in the range of 148 to 140. Stop loss will be 110 and upside target 210.
Okay, absolutely. So the theme today is bingo and all the PSE stocks, and we have BPCL, we have IOC, NTPC, Gas Authority of India, and ONGC. So these are the picks that are coming in from Mehul. And on that note, thank you so much, Mehul, for sharing all these stock ideas with us and being with us here on Business Today Television.
Thank you, Tanya.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.